Around here.
The first year that I took German, the course was taught by the music teacher who was born in Vienna. And we had vocabulary that we had to learn each night. And I came in one day and I hadn't studied it. And instead of using a German word, I used a Yiddish word. And the teacher said, "Man spricht nicht Yiddish in meiner Klasse. Heraus. We don't speak Jewish in my class. Get out." And I was standing out in the hall, humiliated. At the end of the class, she came out and she said to me, "Fräulein Schwarzman, don't ever do that. I used to do that when I was in school, so I'm wise to you. I speak a perfect Yiddish."